Good evening, everyone. I would like to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel, you're going to get nothing more or nothing less than videos, websites, and apps that you can make some PayPal cash, Amazon gift card, or whatever gift card you guys want to cash out at on these websites or apps, okay? Now, you can get paid to watch videos, so the apps I talk about do have a feature where you can get paid, you can watch videos, but it's a very, very, very small minimum amount, and not too many people watch videos. So, I'm gonna get into the apps. So, the app I'm gonna be there's three apps I'm gonna be talking about today. Okay, three apps. The first app is gonna be about GiftLoop. And on GiftLoop, you guys already know you can get paid to swipe, you get paid to watch videos, you get paid to take surveys, and to download apps. And once you get to 300,000 coins, you guys can collect $15 to PayPal. And no, I don't know how long it takes to get to PayPal because I've never cashed out. But I'm close to a cash out. I'm at 130 coins. And if I had kept using this app, I would be close to that right now. I'm sorry, the app's acting a little funny right now. So, hold on, let me open it again to see if it'll work. So like I said, basically you just swipe, you watch videos, you take surveys, and you download apps to get credited. It doesn't look like it's going to open for me or act. Hold on, let's see if it'll work. See how you see there I just earned, yeah, it's not going to work. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and move on to the next app, which is called Buzzbreak. And I want to talk about Buzzbreak because they added a new feature. I don't know if you guys know about this, but I can watch a video and get 4,000 points. I've had the panel app installed on my phone before. That's a really good app. Let's click on the X here and it takes you out. And I earned 4,000 coins, okay? So it adds up every day that you check in on this app. So you get paid to basically read the news, watch funny, just watch videos. You take surveys, you can do offers. And I'm going to play this video so I can get the 1,000 points. That's 5,000 points I've earned just for that right now. And see these... Yeah, that was a phishing ad, you guys. It was advertisement about the app. A phishing app that pays you to fish, basically. So, it's a pretty good app. So basically let me show you how this works. You click on this news feed here, and you can read what it says, but it says right here, you just wait until it's done counting down, and then it says scroll down to the bottom to claim your reward. And remember, every 100 points is 1 cent on here, you guys. Every 100 point is 1 cent. Okay, it's like a penny. So we got the video section here. We have the earn box, the gift box here. You can choose from your different tabs here. You can go to the invite just by clicking on this little gift box. It'll take you to the icons that you can click on to get to where you need to go. Like if you need to check in, you click check in. You read the news, it'll take you to the home page. Share the buzz break, you get 1,000 points for sharing it. Free offers, free surveys, which is the tap research. You guys really should do those, they're really good. And yeah, so let's go over here to wallet, okay? So right now I have 9,052 points. So let's go here. Yeah, 9,052 points. I can cash out 2 cents. Okay, if I wanted to cash out right now, I could cash out 2 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and cash out 2 cents. It doesn't take 48 hours. It takes maybe an hour or less. 45 minutes to an hour. Just give it that much time so it'll be able to be sent to you, but it doesn't take that long. I was actually shocked because I thought I was going to have to wait. So basically you have here your check-in, your free points, which is the offers, your free surveys, and they just recently added the game section here. For those of you that have been on Buzzbreak for a while and you know how to work the gaming channel on here, could you please make a video, because I pretty much know you're supposed to just click on it and play the game and you get the points, but I don't want to tell you guys that's all you have to do and there's more to it, okay? So if those of you who understand what that means, then please make a video showing us how to do it. But I know you play games basically. I was just wondering if there's more to it than that. But below, this shows you what I've done. Like today, I've 100 points, 1,000 points, 4,000 points today alone. And these are my referrals. Like my referrals are actually coming down here and actually putting in work. You know, congratulations to those of you that have signed up under me that are actually using the app. You know, I'm proud of you guys for actually taking the initiative and, you know, actually doing something with this app, because, you know, this is a really great app. So, I showed you guys the homepage, the videos of where to find everything. And then I also showed you how you get paid out. So that was the second app we're talking about today. And the third app is going to be Feature Points. And Feature Points I love Feature Points. I've always been a fan of Feature Points. And I will leave my link in the description below if you guys want to sign up. Sign up. Sorry, I'm a little tired. Anyways, so 954 points is what I have right now on my Feature Points dashboard here. And I have 32% till I get to a $5 PayPal cash out. Let me just show you guys what you can do on here. Here's the surveys. They have tap research, and I would highly recommend tap research. You get 3 points every time you qualify for a survey. And then I believe it's, even if you don't, you still get the credit. You get the qualification points. This is where you download apps. These are all the offer walls that they have. You can watch videos. You get 1 cent for watching a video. Let me take you to the rewards tab here. You have all these gift cards here. Okay, I like Starbucks, so I just was looking at that. I love Starbucks. Okay, so PayPal cash here. You guys are gonna be amazed at how high up this goes. Okay, so for 3,000 points, you can get $5. To get $10, you need 6,000 points. To get $25, you need 15,000 points. If you want $50, you need 30,000 points. If you want $100, you need to get 60,000 points. If you want $200, you need 120 points. If you want $500, you need 300,000 points. And if you want $1,000, you need 600,000 points. Have I got to $1,000? No. The highest I've went on here was $1. They took off the dollar option, I guess. I don't know why that is. But I think that 3,000 points for $1 is high enough. It's not that bad. Okay. So I'm actually going to be real close to that, because all I have to do is do a couple of things and I'm good. So I showed you guys the payout option. You can also, like I said, there's other gift cards here if you want to take a look at those when you sign up. But they have contests. You can enter tokens and you like win free spins or cash or whatever it is you win. And you can share this on with your friends. This is my referral code right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that. And then this is just my account. So yeah, that's feature points, you guys. And you can also get points for making a video. Share your own custom video. You just have to send, I believe you have to send them the video, your video URL. And once you do, you get a lot of points for that. So, and last but not least, I want to talk about something that I know I said I'd talk about before. But I did get a payout from One Day Rewards. And I want to show you guys that. So, be right back. Okay, so here we are at my PayPal account, and I was sent 75 cents from One Day Rewards, okay? And 10 cents was added to my account today because of Buzz Break, and I had One Day Rewards, 75 cents was sent to me. So, as you guys can see, I'm actually making money. And there's your payment proof right there. One Day Rewards GPT, 75 cents. Okay? So I believe there's a fee that they charge when they send it to PayPal because I originally cashed out $1 and something off of One Day Rewards, but I guess it charged me a fee. So it only left me with 75 cents, which is not bad because I have $1.85 in my account. Okay? So I just wanted to show you guys that. That's going to be the conclusion of this video. I would like for you guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Take care, you guys.